Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Cushion Tech here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about why engineering majors should learn how to code, because coding can help engineers in so many different ways, and it can help them in different ways, such as coding can help engineers in so many different ways, in many ways, such as help in their forms of designing and their intelligence. It can help them. Let's see, coding helps them improve their creativity skills in many ways, because coding can help them be more creative, and be more creative in so many ways, such as developing solutions by using create by coding, and by using their creativity and all that. That it, let's see, engages students in creativity, encourage nurtures a creative mindset, such as various aspects of life. Like, they need to think it's creativity when they want to develop their own software and all that. Coding can help improve their logic skills by let's see, implementing algorithms and solutions that'll require good logical thinking and good logical skills and all that. Coding improves logical skills by their ability to analyze and solving. Let's see, it breaks problems down into smaller parts. So whenever engineers are working in the workplace, they can break down their problems into smaller parts because of coding, and it'll help them improve their logic. Coding improves their math skills in a wide variety of way and all that. Like problem solving, it breaks down problems into smaller chunks, and when you learn from breaking down problems into smaller chunks from coding, it'll help you with your math skills. It'll help you with your math skills and all that. Like, you'll be breaking down the math problems into smaller chunks, and you'll be solving them at one piece at a time. And coding makes math very visual. It can be make them more easier, make math skills easier by making them more visual. Coding improves their problem solving skills, and by coding improves their problem solving skills, it teaches you how to break problems into smaller chunks and more manageable steps. And by breaking these problems into smaller steps, you'll be solving one problem at a time, and like and you'll be and it'll and like the and it'll be easier for you to solve the next part of the problem. And coding can help you solve your problem and make problem solving skills more easier. It teaches you how to think logically. It encourages you to think critically and logically. Let's see, engineers have to use MATLAB, and MATLAB requires programming, because it's a high level programming language designed for engineers and scientists that expresses matrices and arrays in mathematics directly. They can use MATLAB to develop large scale applications. It combines scripts, reusable function, and author customer classes and all that. MATLAB can also help them get quickly started with and all that, and with their with their projects and all that. MATLAB can help them simulate their projects by writing code. Coding can help, let's see, engineers work faster by making packages by making packages and template that they can reuse the same time and reduce errors as why. Let's see, it makes them find their problems and errors more quickly rather than manually doing it. It helps them calculate some math computations and math problems, and helps them analyze stuff quickly and all of that. Let's see, it means and it also help you create more documentations and library to help you get more your tasks done quicker. Almost every engineering students have to take a digital computation course, because like digital computation uses digital representations, and they require coding, and like let's see, and they require coding and all that, and like it helps them improve their critical thinking skills. It helps their logical skills and all that, and it helps them do like work, and it helps them do a lot of things, and like it creates it's for engineers, because like digital, and like they have to learn the code because of the digital computation class and all that. Let's see, coding can help engineers be more efficient and all that, and because by creating programs that will like help them get their jobs done quickly and all that, and helps them can and it can also, let's see, lead to more efficiency in the workplace. Efficiency, coding can help them be more efficient because like they can also, let's see, be more efficient by creating packages and all that, and and the like coding can, let's say, help them like become more efficient because they don't have to like solve them hands by hand, like hand by hand and all that. That coding benefits people by like, let's see, like making them their task more quicker and easier. They have to use Arduino, like if they want to code and all that, because they'll have to work with some easy to use hardware or software on their projects and all that, or like they have to read inputs on like light sensor, finger on a button or a message, and turn it into an output like LED light and all that. Let's see, Arduino is common. Engineers need to use Arduino like for like input and output signals and all that, and it's a good language for computer engineers and electrical engineers and mechanical engineers and all that, because like by bringing various elements of engineering together, it enables the engineer to solve many problems to be cheap on the cheap, like because like it can be used in a wide variety of projects such as LED lighting for complex robots and automated systems, which mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and computer engineers use. Let's see, because like engineers have to work in the office, and since they have to work in the office, they have to use technology, and just in case if their technology, let's see, has problems or that, they can learn to troubleshoot it and fix their tech problems by learning how to code. And if they learn how to code, they can solve very like common tech problems that occur in the workplace and all that. They work in an office and all that, and almost every single office job has to learn how to code in order to solve tech problems. If tech problems occur in the workplace, they can, let's see, fix those, and like by learning how to code, engineers can like fix their tech problems, such as like making more space, fixing like the amount of space problems, such as slow Wi-Fi and all that, such as slow connections, slow loading times and all that, and like the printer problems they can fix and all that if they learn how to the code and all that, because it enhances their problem solving skills. Like it can help them back up their have them backup issues and all that. Let's see, engineers use technology and software in the workplace to help them solve their problems and help them make their problems more efficient rather than just hand drawing them. Like for example, engineers use 3D printers to create 3D objects from digital file created by CAD software, and like they need to learn how to code like some certain 3D models, because like they can't just learn to hand draw it on some. Let's see, software does not have all the abilities for them to do like 3D models and all that. Like they're gonna have to code like some of the like the drawings and the replicas of the 3D models to help them aid in their design. CAD, there are like so many computer aided design software such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Onshape, and all that that'll help them learn to code. There's circuits that like they need to learn how to use everyday advice. They need to program the circuits and all that. There are communication tools in which they help them collaborate with their clients and all that. It helps them like with their data analytics and spreadsheet management and like word processing tools and all that. Coding can like help automate engineering tasks by leveraging a wide variety of programming techniques and tools, such as the design and simulation. By like programming scripts and macros can automate repetitive design and computer aided software. Finite element analysis can help them analyze the data. There's like data analysis in which programs are written to be clear, filter, and analyze large data sets quickly and accurately. Greatly automated response coding can generate reports, graphs, and visualizations from analysis reports and all that. It can help them with the manufacturing and help them design with 3D printing. It also helps them with project management and all that. It helps them adapt to technological advances more quickly, such as automation and efficiency and all that. Like it helps them adapt to learning new languages and all that. It helps them adapt to learning new software and all that. And it also like helps them with continuous learning and their problem solving skill. It enhances their analytical and critical thinking skills, and by applying these new technologies, it like helps them with their efficiency and automated task and all that. It helps them with experiments. It helps them with their system integration by like integrating new technologies into existing systems and all that. Coding helps them improve collaboration and all that in so many ways, in so many ways, such as like they get to work together on projects and all that. Coding can help with the engineers, help each other in the workplace, such as like help them it helps them review progresses. It helps them understand what's usable and all that. It helps them with their project management tools and all that. Coding can help them improve their careers their careers and all that by enhancing their problem solving skills, in which engineers can become more effective problem solvers. It helps them with automation and repetitive tasks because such as let's see designing CAD designing and all that, and they can just simply write code to write the CAD design rather than just hand doing it for them, which could hurt their hands and all that. It gives them more of an advantage over their other applicant. When, for example, if an engineer knows how to code, there's like few applicants, and if one engineer's applicant knows how to code and the other doesn't, then the one who knows how to code has a higher advantage and all that. It helps them in the workplace and all that. It helps them integrate with emerging technologies. It helps them analyze data quickly rather than just doing it hands-on. Like civil, mechanical, and electrical engineers need to data analysis, and they just need to write programs or code to help them. It expands career opportunities, such as in hardware. They can work in hardware and all that if they learn how to code and all that. It improves their job security. It enhances their creativity and innovation. It learns how to integrate software into the workplace and all that. It improves communication with the software team and developer team. Coding helps, engineers create algorithms, implementing theoretical concepts. Engineers need to do theoretical concepts to implement their their let's see their processes and their contraptions and their projects, and like coding, by writing code, it can help them increase and implement their theoretical content. It also enables automation of repetitive and complex tasks, which is essential in development, and they can write scripts to automate data processing, simulation, and other tasks. Let's say coding can help engineers experiment with different algorithmic approaches and compare their programming and performance and optimize them. Like it can help them handle large data sets rather than, because like it'll make things quicker for them rather than just like manually doing it. It helps them with simulizing, it helps them with documentation and collaboration, it helps them integrate with other systems and hardware. Coding can help, let's see, like engineers create model by simulation and prototyping and all that. And when they prototype and do simulations and all that, like it can help them like get better models and all that. And like it can like help them and all that, and like and also like let's see, it helps them with their data analysis and processing. Let's see, coding helps them perform specific calculations and all that, and like can helps engineers perform specific calculations and all that, like such as data analysis, all that, like calculus problems and all that, and like statistics and all that. And like coding can help them like calculate specific engineering, like structural engineering. By creating programs, coding can like calculate the load bearing capacity of a beam. Electrical analysis can use code to analyze voltage, current, and resistance in a circuit. It helps the mechanical engineers can help them determine thermodynamic efficiency of a heat, and the civil engineers can use code to can calculate the flow of rate of water in a pipe. Coding can help, let's see, engineers program controllers and other hardware by direct controlling the hardware, like such as turning on the LEDs, reading sensor data, and controlling motors. For C or assembly language can be used to manipulate the microcontrollers I/O input such output pins to interact with the connected device. It can make them write more efficient code and perform tasks quickly in the microcontrollers with strict timing constraints, and like the optimized code ensures the microcontroller can handle real-time operations such as handling sensing data, customization, and flexibility. It also helps them be customized and flexibilize their like hardware, their functions of the hardware, such as an automated home system, a robotics product, or an industrial control system. Microcontrollers are often needed to perform repetitive tasks such as monitoring sensor data or controlling actuators. Coding allows you to automate these tasks, reducing the need for management. But the integration of other systems, microcontrollers are often needs to communicate with other systems such as microcontrollers, computers, and networks. Coding enables you to implement communication protocols. There's like debugging and testing, in which writing code for microcontrollers include tools and techniques for debugging and testing, such as in-circuit debuggers, simulation, and diagnostics. They also help in identify issues in the code, like it helps them like learn like about embedded systems, electronics, and computer architectures. It provides hands-on experience in how software interacts with hardware. Optimization for power and performance, especially battery powered devices. Optimizing codes for power efficiency is crucial. Coding allows to manage the powers. Like it also helps the microcontrollers implement complex algorithms such as data processing, control systems, and signal analysis. Coding allows these to implement these to leveraging the microcontroller's computational capabilities to perform advances. Firmware updates and maintenance. Once the microcontroller is deployed, coding enables firmware updates to fix bugs, adds new features, and improves performance.